Okay guys, it's been a few days, so I thought I'd show. These are what, 2 days old now, 3 days old. These are the platinum half-beak babies. She had a bunch. There's one there, there's one there, one there, one there. So far I've counted 5, which would be the most she's ever had at one time. They are live bearer. They're really cool, but they are tiny, tiny, tiny. They are eating baby brine shrimp though. They're just such a cool little fish. But, yeah, they're just, this is hornwort in there, so that'll give you an idea how tiny they are in that hornwort. But I thought I'd give you an update on the platinum half-beaks.